I participated in the Simple Puppets workshop. The one I made last week in the meeting. It has chicken legs and then turtle flippers and hair. These two are the ones that I made during these two are the ones that I made during the meeting while the teacher was teaching the others how to make the puppets. Then this is the one I made before the meeting with a feather here and here. The part is when we got to interact with the other puppets. We had to go into break rooms and we had to take our puppets, and the puppets asked questions about the other puppets. This one is named Marimina. She likes flying around and looking for birds. This one is the dad. He loves music because he's a harp. This one is the mom. She's very neat and she likes neat things. And this one is her little sister who was born a day ago, and she loves looking at her feet because they're covered in glitter.
Awesome. Would you recommend other people take this workshop?
Yes, I would recommend people of all ages.